And the bell has gone, and the first stick on the Nifty is at 23,550. We're staring at a downtick of nearly 100 points at open. The Sensex 2 is lower by 0.5%. Mid-cap index giving it company on the way down, 0.5% gone. The Nifty bank is under pressure. So this is a decisively lower start. But again, volumes are on the thinner side, and we've just had a minute of trade. On the way down, you've got IT stocks. So in fact, the top 5 Nifty losers are IT names. So Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, Infy, TCS, Wipro down more than 1%, extending up to a 2% loss. But remember, the Nifty IT index has had a good year after more than a 20% rally last year. Even this year, it's ending with about a 22% gain. So some profits are being booked on the last day. Adani Enterprises comes in for some profit booking. Indices Bank was the lone private sector bank which managed to close up in the green yesterday, so that's seen some profit booking, while ICICI Bank is a bit subdued. We'll pull up HDFC Bank and find out whether it's higher in trade. Nope, 0.5% gone on HDFC Bank too. So that's also stumbling on the last day of trade. On the way up, it's PSUs, BEL, Coal India, ONGC all up. Tata Motors is having a good start. Some of the other winners include metal names like Tata Steel, Hindalco. ITC, as we pointed out, is also up and about in trade. And Hindalco, where there is news, has also got a green start.
Well, actually, the markets have not, taken advantage of what would be thin trade and done any NAV management. As I was expecting, it's been down, as even Sudarshan warned us, that 23,600 could be taken today, and that will disturb the long-term, or rather the near-term bull trend in the market. So it's something he worried about, moving below the 23,600 mark. But at this point in time, it's not a big cut if you look at it in percentage terms. It's 1/3 of a percent lower. And there is still, of course, like yesterday, every chance that the market pulls itself by its bootstraps, if not anything, at least for NAV management. Just want to point out a few mid-cap stocks that have positive news going for it. Mazagon Dock is up about 2.5%. It's got some orders, as is RVNL. So both those stocks are up about 2 to 2.5%. ITI, I mean, there are no rules for this stock. It's a huge zigzag move. Pull up a 6 month for that stock and you will know what I mean. It was rising 15-16%. Today it is still up about 6%. So ITI is once again having a field day. Among stocks that are not doing well, Adani Wilmar is feeling the pressure of that big block deal in which Adani Enterprises moved out. Indian Hotels, my sense is feeling the pinch of competition. There is going to be a slightly stronger competitor in the form of ITC Hotels very soon. Competition on the field they have always seen, but on the stock market, there wasn't any one big hotel stock of the level of Indian Hotels. And maybe that's why there's a bit of chipping off on that stock. And then there's Zomato, Geo Financial, Adani Total, Infosys, Adani Energy. I mean, a lot of the Adani stocks were up this week, and I think it's just traders riding up and down. So nothing much to speak about in terms of fundamental moves on those stocks. I think ITC should get a look in. ONGC, as Manisha was telling us, is likely to rise because we saw crude prices go all the way up to $74, and therefore that's having a positive impact. Oil India would likewise be positive. Now there is a little bit more green with Coal India, BEL, Nestle, SBI, JSW Steel, all of them somewhat in the green, but we are talking really narrow ranges at this point in time. The overarching color is red. Now let's see if we can change that.
The Easy Trip, that's the biggest volume traded stock of the morning right now, and it's straight away opened down with a cut of about 8.5%. The volumes are very, very large on Easy Trip. So, watch for that. And 2 other stocks. One is Mazagon Docks and the other one is RVNL, where there are order wins, and these stocks have opened up in the green. And Shriram Properties, where the company is monetizing some land, has got a green tick to begin trade with.
Okay. Well, those are the stocks to put on your radar right now. But at the moment, the markets having done their first thing in the morning, taken a red turn, still holding at 23,550 thereabouts. With that